to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einsteins. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
Something about a camel song.
Sing it with me.
I don't know it.
I'll be coming around when she...
Oh, she'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
I'll be coming round the mountain when she comes.
I'll be coming round the mountain.
No, okay. I just sing that one.
Oh, okay.
On that farm he had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a horse. E-I-E-I-O. And the horse said, "Bah!"
Are you sure about that?
No. Nay! Nay! Nay!
Okay, take a bow.
No. The lizard one after.
Okay, hurry up.
The lizard in the water. The lizard in the water. Come and ski and Dolphy and lizard. And the robot will scare you. Woo! And the witch. And the witch.
Oh, old Mrs. Witch, old Mrs. Witch, see how she flies, see how she flies. She'll fly on a broomstick and she'll scare you.
Boo!
Very good.